Most people, when they come to see a criminal defense lawyer, oftentimes it's their first time they've ever been arrested, and it's the first time that they've been in the criminal justice system. So it's important to know, number one, whether the attorney you're speaking with practices in the courthouse in which your court date is going to be. There are a lot of attorneys who are very good at what they do, but practice out in Maryland or Virginia mostly, and they only come into DC to do some cases. You really want to know if the person you're consulting with spends a lot of time in the courthouse you're going to. You don't want an attorney that's going to create false expectations, and tell you, there's pretty much, guaranteed we're going to get you dismissal, or guaranteed we're going to get you some type of diversion. If you're getting those kind of responses, then it's probably best to end the consultation, because that attorney is just not being honest with you. The first thing I look at, or the first thing I use when I approach a case are three fundamental principles that I go by. The first one is honesty, the second one is commitment, and the third one is creativity. I think that it's incredibly important to be honest with your client 100% all along the way. Commitment is the second fundamental principle that I go by. And in that case, I recognize being a criminal defense lawyer, it's not a 9-to-5 job. You're committed to the clients, you're committed to their case, and you're committed to getting that good outcome for them. I try not to approach every case the same way. One of the advantages I think that defense lawyers have over prosecutors are we're not bogged down by bureaucracy and policy and having to do certain things the same way every time. Every case is different. If you're willing to try every case that comes in front of you, and you work vigorously to enforce your client's rights, you're often going to get a better result. I'm not afraid to try any case. It doesn't matter how bad the facts are. In almost every case that's going to go to trial, I basically do a reenactment of what happened with the client, and that's something I learned from Trial Lawyers College. My name is Joseph Scrofano. I'm the owner and founding attorney of Scrofano Law PC. Visit us at www.scrofanolaw.com, SCROFANO law.com. We can be reached 24/7, 202-870-0889, or info@scrofanolaw.com.